So yeah, no, nah, bro. We not letting this go. I don't agree with this at all. You can play semantics all you want all day long. I'm a dad. I wear those shoes. Then they're a dad shoe. You know what they mean when they say dad shoe. You know what they talking about. Bruh, stop it, knock it out. The Air Force One, bruh, stop it, knock it off. The Air Force One is an ultimate classic, bruh. Now, this has come from the Gen Z age group or whatever you want to call it, that wear Asics and Crocs and yeah, hoodies all year round. They even got the ones that, never mind, we ain't even finna go there. But they call these dad shoes. Air Force One, bro, again, is the ultimate classic in sneakers. There's nothing better than seeing a pair of crispy, all white Air Force Ones, Uptowns, whatever you want to call them. The name changes depending on the region. And there's a reason for that, because no other shoe has stood the test of time like the Air Force One. Now, if they really want to be technical, you can call retro Jordans dad shoes too, because hello, same demo, right? But you wear them too, and you call them swag. Bruh, I'm confused. I am so confused at this one. We ain't letting it slide, bruh. We not letting it slide. No, you will not label the Air Force One. No, you can't. You can't do it. Now, I don't know how to take that, whether it's a negative connotation or that's just them saying it's a dad shoe because they like dad shoes. I don't know. But coming from the generation again that wear Asics, New Balances, all those chunky shoes, Crocs, bro, stop it. Get some help. Like MJ said, stop. Get some help. There's no way in the world you can consider the Air Force One a dad shoe. It's not the Nike Monarch. It's not that. And now that's a shoe that you are bound to see at the bingo hall or grocery getting for anybody 65 or older, or anybody who live in Florida know what the villages are. That's the kind of shoe that you see up there. Not the Air Force One. Y'all better stop that and knock it off. Go find something else to do. I would say go play in traffic, but y'all do that anyway too. So I'm not specifically speaking to the Gen Zs. I'm not. Because the Gen Alphas probably said the same thing. So yeah, bro, I need y'all to chill out. The sneaker game is already, y'all already kind of, never mind. Say that for another video, man. Anyway, I'm gonna go find something to do important with the rest of my day and stop playing with y'all, because y'all know damn well that the Air Force One, y'all just doing this for attention. That's what you're doing. That's exactly what you're doing, man. Yo, OGs, stand up. Hit me in the comment section. We letting this slide, or we just gonna, we gonna embrace this? Which one are we gonna do? We letting it slide, or we gonna embrace the fact that they said that Air Force Ones are the ultimate dad shoe? Hit me in the comment section, bro. I'll go.